Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L6160 printer driver, download and install. Okay, you can see this any operating system. So you can see this is first URL is Epson's co.in this officially site. So you just download this one, just select this. Scroll down. You can see this is extract and there are two options. First scanner, so you have to scan document, so for this, and for printing for this. Again just click on plus and just click on download. It will open new tab. Again slow down, I agree the term and conditions, and this is operating system, and just click to download. After that it will start downloading. You can see. So it is done, and just single click to open. Then click on yes for the administrator rights to install. Set default. If you want to set default this printer, check this. If you want to update the automatically, so check this and then click to OK. Then required change to languages. All languages you can see here: Telugu, Malayalam, Pakistani and all. Okay, just click to OK and I agree, and then click to OK. Wait few seconds. Now the printer driver is installing. It will take some time, depend about your printer, your system configurations. So there are two options to install. First, network connections. So if you have network, so if you want to install this network, so click to search, and this is search will printer IP. Okay, you just click to OK, and then just click to OK. It will search like that. And if you know the printer IP, you just click to again click on search, and like this you have entered this IP. Okay, and also you have a subnet mask and network IP address. You enter the both one by one. Okay, so then second, USB, via install via printer USB cable to connect your laptop to desktop. Okay, and then just click on, after it will search as printer, and then will detect a next to install. So installation is completed, then just restart your printer and your system. Okay, then check if you are facing some issues, so please comment me. Thank you.